making good use of recycled conduit. This fish habitat creates a double win for the environment. Conduit manufacturer Petroflex North America is recycling scrap from manufacturing HDPE conduit for power and communications applications to make the branches for Pond King's honey hole trees and shrubs. These artificial reefs create a home and feeding station for fish in bodies of water such as Lake Conroe, north of Houston.
My name is Jennifer Reeves. I am Logistics Manager at Petroflex North America, an Arcane Industries company.
This won the Project of the Year award from the Plastics Pipe Institute for member company Petroflex for producing a product that is doubly beneficial for the environment.
As a proud PPI member company, we are able to utilize engineering resources, networking opportunities, and take advantage of the fact that we're making an impact on specifications by working on different test groups.
We're here today at Petroflex North America, an Arcane Industries company, talking with Jennifer Reeves on some of their utilization of recycled materials. Jennifer, do you mind kind of identifying what's in front of us here today and how this goes into making a high-density polyethylene conduit, please?
Sure. So all of the HDPE starts out as a prime resin pellet. As it goes through the manufacturing process, the process itself lends itself to some scrap, startup, and manufacturing issues.
Sure.
That material can then be taken to our recycling department and turned into a regrind product. As you notice, you've got black, you've got red, different colors in there that are all blended. After it is reground, it's washed, it's dried. It is then turned back through the reprocessing, repelletizing process, and is again a material that can be turned into pipe.
So essentially really no waste then in the manufacturing process, because anything that is out of specification can be ground up and utilized again.
That's correct.
The trees have 93 branches that are 36 inches long and accumulate algae and plankton for minnows, crappie, sand bass, and striped bass, largemouth bass, and catfish. The habitats also protect spawning bass and their fry to ensure population growth. Petroflex grinds, washes, and pelletizes the remnants in-house to ensure a quality reprocessed product. More than 11,000 feet of HDPE conduit branches were used to make the honey hole trees for the Lake Conroe project. This equates to more than 800 pounds of reused HDPE scrap. Our honey hole tree units using the HDPE tubing is far superior for building an underwater habitat compared to using brush, small trees, and branches, because the HDPE material will not deteriorate over time, stated Jill Rausch, Director of Marketing for Pond King. The habitats using sustainable HDPE material will last for decades to ensure healthy gamefish populations for future anglers to enjoy at Lake Conroe. Petroflex has been in the conduit market for more than 40 years, extruding conduit for utilities, telecommunications, electrical wiring, and data and voice transmission, plus cable and conduit.
And Petroflex is really proud of our recycling program. We currently reprocess approximately 10 million pounds of high-density polyethylene each year. The majority of that comes from our own production floor and is recycled through the process back into pipe to go back out into the field.
She also said, "We are proud of our recycling process, especially when we can help improve the health of game fish." Habitat projects like this will also increase recreational angling opportunities in lakes throughout the state. We are very excited that it won Project of the Year. For fishermen, the habitats create fishing hotspots for a successful harvest and improve the management of game fish throughout Lake Conroe. It's obviously a winning situation that our scrap is reused to also benefit the environment in a number of ways. And the fish love it.
We started working with Petroflex at least 15 years ago, and since then we've installed thousands of fish habitats for customers, and for both Petroflex and Pond King it's been a win-win.
Petroflex does use recycled material in other products. We seek out other OEM opportunities to use as much recycled as possible, and per current specs, we are able to use recycled material in our own piping products.
Additional information can be found at www.plasticpipe.org/powercommunications.